In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily buy the cryptocurrency Moviblock. To do that, we will use what I think is the best platform to trade cryptocurrencies, and that is Binance. Binance is the world's largest exchange, and you can deposit fiat and trade all relevant cryptocurrencies. The fees are very low at 0.1%, and if you use the link from the video description, you will get the highest discount on the platform, and you will receive another 20% discount on all trading fees, so you'll end up with only 0.08% fees, as you can see right here. To create an account, simply enter your details right here, and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, the page will look like this. In our first step, we now have to verify our profile. So we'll click on this profile icon right here on the top and then go to identification. Now we'll have to make sure that here at personal details that we are verified. For you, this yellow button will be there, so you just have to click on it, then upload a picture of your ID and yourself, and then you're verified, and now we can deposit fiat to here. To buy crypto, we have two different options. Either we deposit money through a bank transfer first and then buy the crypto with that money, or we can buy directly with our credit card. I'll first show you the first option. So to deposit money, we're just going to click on wallet and then go to fiat and spot. Now we'll get to this page. It's just an overview of all of our assets on the platform. And to deposit money, we're just going to click on deposit right here. Now you can select your currency right here. So you can choose the euro or pound or whichever other currency that you can see right here. So let's just go for euro, and we are going to make a SEPA bank transfer and click on continue. Now we have to enter the amount we want to deposit. So let's just say, for example, 200 euro and click on confirm. And then this small window will pop up where it's just going to tell us that the receiver must be Binance in the bank transfer, and we must deposit from a bank account that has the same name that we registered on Binance. Now we're just going to click OK, and now we get all the important details right here. So the receiver name, the IBAN in this case, and the reference code that we have to make sure to include in our bank transfer. All right, once you've made the bank transfer, you will have to wait 1 to 2 business days. If your bank supports a real-time transfer, it will be there in about 15 minutes. You can easily check if the money's there if you just go back to your wallet and click on fiat and spot, and then check if the balance has been credited to your account. If you want to buy smaller coins, we cannot do that directly with our fiat currency because there's not always a trading pair with that specific coin and our fiat currency. So what I would recommend you is to first transfer your fiat currency into US dollar Tether, and then with US dollar Tether you can buy any cryptocurrency. So to buy US dollar Tether, we're just going to click on buy crypto right here and then go to cash balance. Now we'll get to this page. Here on the right side, we can select the coin we want to buy. So I'm just going to click on it and type in USDT and click on US dollar Tether. Right here on top, we can select the currency that we have deposited. So choose whichever one you did and then type in the amount you want to transfer to US dollar Tether. So I'm just going to go for 200 euros and then click on buy USDT. Then I'll get to this confirmation page where I can see exactly how much US dollar Tether I'm getting. And then all I have to do is click on confirm, and then I have switched my fiat currency to US dollar Tether. If you want to use the second option and buy your crypto directly with your credit card, you just have to go to buy crypto again, and then instead of cash balance, now go to credit/debit card. The page will look pretty similar. Now you just have to go here and type in US dollar Tether again and select the coin, type in the amount you want to invest, and then click on buy USDT. And then you will have to enter your card details, and you can make the purchase that way too. Once you've got the US dollar Tether balance in your account right here, you can now buy any cryptocurrency. To buy any cryptocurrency, we just have to click on markets right here on top. There we can see all the different trading pairs on the platform. We just have to make sure that we have spot markets selected and then fiat markets because we're trading with US dollar Tether. And then here on the right side, we can search for our trading pair. In this case, we want to buy the cryptocurrency Moviblock, so we're going to go up here to the search bar and type in the symbol, and that's MBL. And then we can already see it right here. That's the one we need, MBL USDT. And if we click on it, this trading page will open up. In the middle, we can see the price chart, and on the left side, we can see the order book, all the selling orders and the buying orders down here. Here we can control our trades, and we just have to make sure that we're going to click on market because then we're buying immediately at the current market price. Up here we can see our US dollar Tether balance, and with this slide controller down here, we can select how much % of that we want to invest. You could also type in the amount manually right here, but I'm just going to take the slide controller and put it to 100%. And now all we have to do is click on buy MBL down here. Our order will be filled immediately and the purchase is completed. Don't forget to register on Binance using the link from the video description to save the 20% on all fees. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.